Hello, today let's make a delicious steak here. In this case, it is a fillet steak, which is 3 centimeter thick. We are going to make this steak medium rare up to medium well. For this, we can start to prepare our oven. It is a gas barbecue grill by Weber Spirit here with three burner units. You see, I got the left side, the first and the third and the second burner enabled. That means we heat up the device or full. That means we are on a high temperature range. And if we reach nearly, what is that, a lot of temperature for branding, it is important to reach a maximum of temperature, and the temperature rise up to approximately 270 degrees Celsius are the right case there. So we can start now to make the branding process. We take the fillet steak out and get it in onto the grill. Then we close the lid and let it there for 3 minutes. Direct heat. All the burners, the 3 burners, are in full throttle. After these 3 minutes, we open the lid again. Keep pushing hard with it. That means the grill should be hot enough. And then we make a rotation of the fillet steak and set to another 3 minutes. And then we are ready with the branding. In the second step, we can disable the third burner. That means burner number 1, burner number 2 is for is underneath the meat. That we let enabled full throttle, and the third burner on the right side we can switch off now, because then we go to an indirect heat rotation. That means a circulation is on after we switched off the third burner. Now, after the 3 minutes, we can get the meat into the upper position a little bit and let it chill there a little bit until we reach the right temperature to serve. For this indirect chill out, we get for this meat 3 centimeter thickness 2 up to 3 minutes additionally, but not in the burner area. Upper place on the right side, let it rest there to reach the temperature we want. After these 2 minutes, we make a temperature check, an inner temperature check. That means we pin the temperature measurement device in the center of our meat and take a look. Here it is, 59 degrees Celsius. This is from medium rare up to medium well, and this is the temperature we like to reach for a good and delicious steak in our case. Now we can remove, while we reach the right temperature, the inner temperature, now we can remove the meat from the plate of our barbecue grill. Now it's time for a little bit decoration with French fries, for example, a salad and something else. And of course, we like to add a little bit of spice, like pepper and salt. And of course, a good butter addition is a good flavor thing. And after this, maybe a little bit onion on top, as you like. And then your fillet steak with a 3 centimeter thick is medium rare, but with the way to medium well done. Yeah, there it is. Delicious, really delicious. Enjoy this steak. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.